Say hello to the first real e-ink device released of 2022. This is the Croqy by Shiftall. These guys are a relatively small company that makes consumer electronics like wearables, VR headsets, Bluetooth wireless headsets, and portable air conditioners and heaters for your back. The box is a regular cardboard box, so you can see not too much time and R&D went into the actual overall look of the box itself. It's just a standard white corrugated box with some light monochrome design elements to it. So let's check this out. These guys are really, we feel like King Jim. They make one e-ink product and a bunch of other kind of lifestyle products aside from that. So this was sent to us for free, so we are going to check this out. This is a how-to. You have to put that in for 15 minutes to charge it, etc. This is the user manual. It tells you they have their own application as well, and in fact, if you use two of these units, you can use it as an e-ink walkie-talkie text message service. So if you had one of these here and one of these in another room, you could actually do that and send notes to the other Croqy. So it is very interesting. And as we saw from the promotional information, the back, I believe, is made out of wood, or it's a faux wood that just is plastic, but it looks like wood. So we're going to put this off to the side for now. Oh, and there's nothing else in the box, so I guess we're done. So that's the rest of the box. Let's look at this little tray we have here. We're going to open this up, put this off to the side, and they are using not USB-C. That is very strange. It's 2022, and they're using micro USB. I mean, there are a lot of people that still have micro USBs kicking around, so I suppose that's fine. Let's see if this is actually wood. Okay, that is actually wood. I can feel that is actually wood. Now, unfortunately, this is a resistive touch device. It is not capacitive, it is not Wacom, which means you could essentially use anything. The blade we use to open this up, you can use the back of that, you can use your knuckle, your fingernail, you can use anything, because all it needs is a pointed surface to push down on the resistive layer that floats above the touchscreen. Now for the unit itself here. So this is made in China, and it looks to be... We're going to confirm, double, triple confirm when we go to film that final review. This is heavy. This is really heavy. I'm just going to go out and say this could be real wood. That definitely looks like real wood. It's hard to tell on camera, but just looking at it, looking at the inconsistencies of the grains and everything, I'm pretty sure that's real wood. And this does have a slot at the top. Maybe it's magnetic. It is. So they put a little magnet behind there, and it works both ways. So that's really nice. And it has this little bar that pops out that I just broke, I guess. Or, oh no, you take it out. There we go. And then you put it in, so it doesn't fold. You put it into there. And then this stands up like so, and then you can take notes on the screen. We're going to fine-tune the usability of this and everything and make sure we show you guys exactly what there is to know about this. But so far, you have a USB port, you have a reset button on the back, and you have a little slot for the metal bar that acts as a stand. And you also have the e-ink screen. I believe it is a 4.3-inch e-ink screen right there. And yes, it's a resistive touchscreen, so unfortunately no proprietary stylus. You can use just any old stylus on there. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Croqy. We have seen this thing kind of before with the King Jim memo pad, so it's not breaking any grounds, but it is interesting to see more and more and more players constantly break into the e-ink space every day. If you guys want to grab one of these, it is available on our store at goodyreader.com/blog/shop. And like always, stay tuned for the full review coming up soon. For goodyreader.com, this is Peter.